One other thing I love to do that I think is a great activity for drama, for all kinds of exercise and movement, is an obstacle course. So I'm gonna show you one of my obstacle courses right now that I'm all warmed up. So here we go. This is our obstacle course in my backyard. So here we go. The first thing you do, I'll show you the first time, and then I'll do it the second. The first time you do is you're gonna run up the slide and down the slide. Then you're going to run around here, climb up the pole, and you're gonna go across. So you can make up your own wherever you are, whatever equipment you have, and then you're gonna run around here. You're gonna do 3 jumps here, and then you can tag wherever you are. So you don't need to have a lot of space. All right, here we go.
Hey, Marcus, get set, go!